Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're gonna be writing a simple Python calculator, and we're gonna continue with our Python for Beginners series. So let's get started. So right now I'm gonna create a new file, and I'm gonna name my file simple calculator. So simple calc, and we're dealing with Python, so we're gonna say .py. So now what do we want to do? We want to ask the user to enter which, if he or she wants to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So we're gonna do something like, we're gonna print out number 1 is subtract, number 2 is for addition, number 3 is for division, number 4 is for multiplication. So we later gonna ask the user to enter one of them. So if he or she enters 1, which is subtraction, it is like we're gonna subtract the two numbers he or she enters. So let's start coding that. So first of all, we're gonna ask the user, we're gonna tell the user that number 1 is addition, and we're also gonna tell the user that number 2 is subtraction, and we're gonna tell the user that number 3 is division, and we're as well gonna tell the user that number 4 is multiplication. So now here we're gonna ask the user to choose one from the above. So we're gonna say input, and what we're gonna ask the user, we're gonna tell the user enter, or we're gonna ask the user to choose one of, just choose one. So here now we're gonna say if choice, so if the choice is double equals to number 1, which if he or she enters 1, which is this one, and 1 is for addition, so we're gonna say if choice is equals to 1. So if he or she imputed 1, what we wanna do, we wanna add, we wanna do addition. So we're gonna create a variable fnum, and we're gonna assign fnum to be equals to int, actually we're gonna say int input. And what do we want to ask the user to input? We want to ask the user to enter first number. So we're going to ask the user to enter the first number, and I'm going to copy this now, and I'm going to paste it here. And the second variable is going to be snum, so it's going to be like the second number. And here I'm going to tell the person to enter the second number. So now I'm going to do the elif. So if he or she doesn't enter 1, we're gonna check if he or she entered 2, and if he or she did not enter, you're gonna ask for 3 and 4, like that. So first of all, I'm just gonna copy everything here. So what I did was just to copy everything and paste it here and change the numbers. So now if he or she entered 1, we want to add, so we're going to create a variable result, and we're going to assign result to be equals to the first number plus the second number. So now I'm just going to copy this and paste it here and here. So now if the person enters 1, which is addition, we want to add the two numbers. And if the person enters 2, which is subtraction, we want to subtract. And if the person enters division, which is number 3, we want to divide. And so we're going to put the division sign. And if the person enters multiplication, we want to multiply. So at the end of the program, we're going to print result. So first of all, we're just going to say we're just gonna say the result is, so this should do it, and let's run the program. So here it's asking me, it's telling me number 1 is for addition, number 2 is for subtraction, number 3 is for division, and number 4 is for multiplication. So I'm gonna choose addition, and my first number is gonna be 10, and I want to add it with 3. So here you can see the result. Here I'm gonna choose multiplication. So my first number is gonna be 4, and I want to multiply it with 9. So here you can see 36, and I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna check for subtraction. I'm gonna choose number 2, and my first number is gonna be 5, and the second number is gonna be 8, so it's gonna give me -3. And I'm gonna as well check for division. So I'm gonna say I want to divide 10 by 3. Okay, actually, okay, sorry, it wasn't among, so it wasn't there. So I'm gonna say number 3, and I want to divide 10 by 3, so that's gonna be 3.33335. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and families, or anybody that find this useful. And please, if you have any suggestion for a new video, an objection, or anything wrong with the video, please drop it down in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer those during the next video.